Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your travel benefits with United Airlines step by step clearly. To manage your travel benefits with United Airlines, start by visiting the United Airlines website. Log into your account using your membership credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Mileage Plus section. Here, you will find an overview of your accrued miles and travel benefits. Review your current status and the benefits associated with your tier. If you wish to redeem your miles, select the Book a Flight option. Enter your travel details, including departure and arrival locations, and select your travel dates. The search results will display available flights and the miles required for each option. Choose a flight that suits your schedule and click on it for more details. Follow the prompts to complete your booking using your miles. If you have companion travel benefits, review the eligibility criteria. Ensure your travel companions meet the requirements before booking. Access the Manage Reservations section to view or modify existing bookings. Here, you can change flight details or add travel extras. For travel upgrades, navigate to the upgrade options available for your tickets. Check the upgrade mileage requirements and choose the option that fits your needs. Finally, review all pertinent travel information, including baggage policies and lounge access. Keep updated on your travel benefits by checking your Mileage Plus account regularly. Stay informed about any promotions or changes in travel policies by signing up for notifications. This will help you maximize your travel experience with United Airlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.